Hello everybody, Mr. Wonderful here. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Okie dokie. It's the 5 Kroner Denmark coin. 1995. Quite beautiful, isn't it? So, first of all, we have to punch a hole in it. Here's a slightly small, not the smallest one of my punches. 7/16. Because I want to try and keep as much detail as I can. Plus it's going to be a wideish banded ring. There you go. Already comes with the hole, but it's not big enough. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger. There she is. Big Bertha. If you're looking for a custom ring, happy to make you one. Check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there, some other stuff in there as well. All the rings I can adjust the size for you, up or down. You can convo me, see what I've got. You can even send me your own coins. Which surprised me, some people do. Right. So there we go. This isn't for anybody in particular. I'm just making it. There you go. That's pretty damn gorgeous. So we'll heat it up a bit. We'll show it a bit of love with Bernie. I think that'll do. Right. So let's dry it off a bit. We stick it in our little doming block, and so what we're going to do, I usually do this side. There is quite a bit going on there, isn't there? But what do I do? Do I stick to the usual? No, let's change it. Because there's quite a bit going on there. You've got the date, you've got the crown, you've got some little hearts. A lot of people think I stamped them in. But as you can see, I didn't. Right, okay then. So I put that face down. I go to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. I never used to use this, but a lot of people says it helps. I think it does. I'm not too sure. Right. So now we need one of these 17-degree folding die. Right, a little bit of Luby-Loo. I just use coconut oil, but it just helps things move a bit easier, if you know what I mean. So we'll go over to Big Red again. And we'll give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie coo. See, that moved. my guy in Australia, he's put magnets underneath here, and he's sort of guaranteed of it. So I think I will be doing that soon. So thanks for the tip, Paul. My friend from Australia. Right. I haven't been drinking today. There you go. Not too shabby. Right. So now I think I'll warm it up again because that seemed quite hard. And last thing you want to do is split your ring. I've split a few of my rings in the past. Right. Yeah, I've had 1 or 2 good weekends in my life. The first one was 1972, and the other one was maybe 1989, somewhere around there. Yeah, I've had a couple of good weekends in my life. Anybody else had any good weekends in their life? Right, I'll get a bit of kitchen roll. I know we should go and visit the one and only. Here he is. Let's do it slowly. There you go. This is Spike, and he's a ring stretcher, in case you're new to the channel. And he stretches your ring. I'll say no more about it. Right. Give it a bit of quarter of a turn each time. It stretches the ring equally all the way around. Oh, it's hardening up again. I think I'll have to show it a bit more love. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. See that bow? If you're not subscribed, why not? There's a little button, bottom right hand corner of the video. About there somewhere. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. It costs you nothing, it's free. It's no obligation, I won't bother you. Alright, let's try that. And then when I've done this, my poor girlfriend is going to have to do the editing. She does all of that for me, I can't do it. She has to sit there, she has to go through it all. Then she has to edit it. And then she has to go through and watch it all again. I think it takes a couple of hours to do one of my videos. I mean, I'm pretty lucky. Or she's pretty lucky. Some people spend hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours doing a video, you know. I'm pretty lucky because I've got all my tools here, even though the table's a complete mess, but still a bit of a bow in it. We want to get that out. How's it looking? Is it splitting? Nope, it's looking quite good. Right. Oh, it's warming up again in here. I think it needs a touch more. I'll just give it a bit more love with Bernie. Because well, that should be sufficient. Like I say, this ring isn't for anybody in particular, so I will polish this one. But if you like the Edwin look, I can always go over it with Kate again. And you can get the Edwin look back. But a lot of people like them polished. You know, horses for courses and all that jazz. This is going to be quite a big ring. There you go, I don't looking too shabby. So let's go down to the bottom end of the spike. And these are reduction dies. So, that's a bit too, there's too much sticking out for my liking. You've got about, what, 6-7 mil sticking out. So I take the little baby out. I'm going to put in Big Daddy. And you just want to find, I mean, there's about 4 mil sticking out there, 3 mil. So I put a little bit of the old jollop in there. The old coconut oil. Wrong one, stupid boy. What about this one? There you go. And we just want to straighten up them walls now. The bow's gone, but it's a bit cone shaped now. There you go. God, Jesus wept. Still a bit strange. This is a tough puppy. I nearly swore there. But I try not to swear on my videos because you never know who's watching, you know. I think there's only been, what, a couple of videos I've actually swore. One of them was my early ones, when everything fell down and crashed and broke. There you go. So look with the BDI. No, not happy with that. Right. It doesn't need to go much. This is a bit deceptive. Alright, let's take this one out. We can put the little boy in it now. This is weird. It's a little bit weird. I don't know what's going on. Well, I never know what's going on, so nothing new there, is there? Oh, there you go. Walls are straight. That's the main thing. You want straight walls. Otherwise, it's not really a ring, is it? You just want to cut out that inside edge there. That's that lip where you folded it over. Oh, bloody warm. It's getting, sweat's running down me. It's actually dripping on the table. Right. I just want to break out Kate. We just want to get the fire scale off it, clean it up a bit, see what we've got. I find if you bounce it, it gets in the grooves a bit easier, you know. In the groove, baby, in the groove. You know what I mean? Well, I'm glad you know what I mean, because I ain't got a clue what I mean, really. You know, at the edge, I cut it out, make sure it's nice and clean. Looks sexy. That's looking good. So let's take out Kate, we'll stick in Felton John, and we'll give it a bit of polish, wherever the polish may be. Oh, it's got the lid on again. I found the lid. Right. I don't want to get no crap in there. Ouch. That's super hot. Well, we got some little butchers. Let's get the green goddess out again. Got this. Beautiful. If you'd like this ring, it'll be in my shop in I don't know when. My girlfriend's busy. I think she tries to put a couple of rings in a week, or, you know. We've got loads of coins to go in the shop, so keep your eye open. But she's the one who picks what rings go in the shop, and, you know, I just make them. I'll give them to her and she decides. She's got a good eye. There you go, it came out quite nice the other way. I usually do it the other way around. What size did we get? This is a size. This is a size 11. Just over 11 and a quarter. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits that finger perfectly. Thanks to you all for subscribing. Thanks for the likes. And God willing, I'll see you on the next one. Have a great week. Bye-bye.